Let's look at the Terraform code that defines all of this. The infrastructure is under infra/Terraform. In this project, I've organized the code into focused files. Backup.tf defines the vault and the plan. Lambda.tf defines the Lambda functions. IAM.tf defines the IAM roles and policies. And EventBridge.tf wires the schedules. In backup.tf, I define the backup vault, dr vault, and the backup plan, dr daily plan. The plan has a rule with a daily schedule. You can see the cron expression and a life cycle that says keep recovery points for 30 days. Below, that is the backup selection, which uses a tag filter any resource in US-East-2 with backup equals yes is included. In lambda.tf, I define the two lambda functions. Each has a function name, a handler pointing to the Python code in S3, an IAM execution role, and environment variables for configuration like the vault name and plan name. The functions are kept simple. dr backup trigger can optionally start on demand backups, and dr verify backup queries recent jobs and logs the status. In IAM.tf, I define the IAM roles. There's a role for AWS Backup itself, which needs permissions to read from the raw S3 bucket and writes recovery points to the vault. There's also a role for the Lambdas, which need permissions to call backup list backup jobs, optionally backup start backup job, and logs create log stream, and logs put log events, so they can write to CloudWatch. In the EventBridge.tf, I define the EventBridge rules. One rule triggers the backup verify lambda on a cron schedule. Let's say every day at 2 a.m. The target is the lambda ARN, and EventBridge automatically handles the permissions so the rule can invoke the function. To deploy all of this, I run Terraform init to initialize the Terraform working directory, then Terraform apply to create or update all these resources in AWS. Terraform handles the dependencies. It knows the IAM role must exist before the Lambda function, and the function must exist before the EventBridge role can target it, so everything comes up in the right order.